In the depths of our being, we all carry a quiet yearning for something more. It's a subtle pull towards a life that feels meaningful and fulfilling, a life that aligns with our deepest desires and highest potential. This yearning is not a sign of discontent, but rather a whisper from our soul, nudging us towards our true purpose. For far too long, we've been conditioned to believe that happiness and purpose lie outside of ourselves. We've been taught to look to our careers, relationships, and material possessions to fill the void within. We chase external goals, hoping that achieving them will bring lasting joy and satisfaction. But often, even when we reach those milestones, that sense of emptiness remains. The truth is, everything you've been searching for is already within you. The key to unlocking your true purpose and experiencing lasting joy isn't about adding more to your life, but rather shifting your perspective and accessing the power that already resides within. The concept of purpose has been misunderstood and often overcomplicated. We've been led to believe that purpose is something we need to discover, something that exists outside of us, waiting to be found. This leads to a relentless search, a feeling of being lost and incomplete until we stumble upon that elusive thing that will give our lives meaning. But what if purpose isn't something you find? What if it's not a destination you reach, but a state of being you cultivate? Consider this. Instead of thinking of purpose as a noun, think of it as a verb. Purpose is not what you have, but what you become. It's not about what you do, but how you show up in the world. It's about aligning with your unique gifts, talents, and passions, and expressing them in a way that feels authentic and fulfilling. The beautiful thing is, this purpose isn't something you need to invent or manufacture. It already exists within you, like a seed waiting to sprout. You don't need to search for it. You simply need to create the conditions for it to flourish. And the most powerful tool you have for cultivating this purpose is your own mind. Our minds are incredibly powerful instruments. They have the ability to shape our reality, to create our experiences, and to determine the direction of our lives. Yet, most of us use our minds unconsciously, allowing our thoughts and beliefs to run on autopilot, often perpetuating patterns of negativity, doubt, and fear. But what if you could harness the power of your mind to create a life that is aligned with your deepest desires and highest potential? What if you could tap into the infinite wisdom and creativity that resides within you and use it to design a life that is meaningful, joyful, and purposeful? This is where the true magic lies. By understanding how your mind works and learning to use it intentionally, you can unlock your hidden potential, tap into your unique purpose, and create a life that truly lights you up. The first step is to recognize the power of your thoughts and beliefs. Your thoughts create your reality. What you focus on expands. If you constantly focus on lack, limitation, and negativity, that's what you'll attract into your life. But if you choose to focus on abundance, possibility, and positivity, you'll open yourself up to a world of opportunities and experiences. Your beliefs are equally powerful. They are the lens through which you perceive the world, shaping your experiences and influencing your decisions. If you believe you are not good enough, capable, or worthy, you will subconsciously sabotage your efforts and miss out on opportunities. But if you cultivate beliefs that empower you, that affirm your value and potential, you will attract success and abundance effortlessly. The empowering truth is, you have the power to change your thoughts and beliefs. You are not a prisoner to your mind, you are the master of your thoughts. By becoming aware of your thought patterns and consciously choosing to focus on what you want to create, you can start to rewire your brain and transform your life. Think of your mind as a garden. Your thoughts are the seeds, and your beliefs are the soil. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and negativity, they will take root and grow, choking out the flowers of joy, abundance, and possibility. But if you plant seeds of love, gratitude, and optimism, they will blossom and create a vibrant, flourishing garden. The same principle applies to your life. By choosing to focus on what you want rather than what you don't want, you set in motion a powerful force that begins to shape your reality. The more you focus on your desires, the more energy and attention you give them, the more they will grow and manifest in your life. This is not about wishful thinking or positive affirmations alone. It's about aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your deepest desires and highest potential. It's about recognizing the power you have to create your own reality and taking responsibility for your life. The journey to unlocking your purpose is a process of self-discovery and self-creation. It's about uncovering your unique gifts, talents, and passions and expressing them in a way that feels authentic and fulfilling. It's about stepping into your power and accepting your full potential. And the most beautiful part is, it all starts with a single thought. A thought that you are worthy, capable, and deserving of all the good that life has to offer. A thought that you are here for a reason, and that your life has meaning and purpose. A thought that you are loved, supported, and guided by a power greater than yourself. When you accept these thoughts and beliefs, you open yourself up to a world of infinite possibilities. You begin to see yourself and the world around you in a new light. You become aware of the synchronicities and opportunities that were always there, but you were too caught up in your own limiting beliefs to see them. You start to attract people, situations, and experiences that are aligned with your purpose. You feel a sense of excitement and anticipation, knowing that you are on the right path. You experience a deep sense of fulfillment and joy, knowing that you are living a life that is true to your authentic self. This journey isn't always easy. It requires courage, perseverance, and a willingness to step outside of your comfort zone. There will be challenges and setbacks along the way, but with each challenge, you have the opportunity to learn, grow, and become even more aligned with your true self. The key is to trust the process. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be in this moment, and that every experience, whether positive or negative, is serving your highest good. Trust that the universe has your back and is conspiring to support you on your journey. Trust that you are worthy of living a life that is filled with joy, abundance, and purpose. As you embark on this journey of self-discovery and self-creation, you'll begin to see yourself and the world around you with fresh eyes. You'll notice synchronicities and opportunities that were always there, but you were too caught up in your own limiting beliefs to see them. You'll start to attract people, situations, and experiences that are aligned with your purpose. You'll feel a sense of excitement and anticipation, knowing that you are on the right path. You'll experience a deep sense of fulfillment and joy, knowing that you are living a life that is true to your authentic self. And you'll become a beacon of inspiration for others, showing them that it's possible to create a life that is meaningful, joyful, and purposeful. The journey to unlocking your purpose is a lifelong adventure. It's not about reaching a final destination, but about accepting the unfolding of your unique path. It's about discovering new layers of yourself, expanding your awareness, and expressing your creativity in ever-evolving ways. So, are you ready to stay on this exciting journey? Are you ready to step into your power, unlock your hidden potential, and create a life that truly lights you up? If so, then I invite you to join me as we dive deeper into the power of your mind and explore the tools and techniques that will help you manifest your dreams and live your purpose. The power of imagination is not merely child's play, it is a fundamental force of creation. It is through our imagination that we envision new possibilities, dream up innovative solutions, and bring our desires into reality. In fact, everything that has ever been created by humankind first existed as a thought, an image in someone's mind. Your imagination is a tool that you can use to shape your reality. It is a way of accessing the limitless potential that exists within you and bringing it forth into the world. When you use your imagination to visualize your desires, you are essentially planting the seeds of creation. You are sending a message to the universe that this is what you want to experience, and the universe, in turn, begins to orchestrate the people, circumstances, and events that will bring your vision to life. But imagination alone is not enough. It is the feeling that activates the imagination and gives it power. When you imagine your desires with intense emotion, you are essentially giving them life. You are infusing them with the energy and vibration that will attract them into your reality. Think of it like this. Your imagination is the blueprint, and your feelings are the electricity that brings that blueprint to life. When you combine a clear vision of what you want with the emotional energy of already having it, you create a powerful magnetic force that draws your desires to you. This is where the ease of manifestation comes in. When you are aligned with your desires at an emotional level, the process of creation becomes effortless. You are no longer struggling or forcing things to happen. You are simply allowing them to unfold naturally. This is not to say that there won't be challenges or obstacles along the way. There will be times when you feel doubt, fear, or uncertainty. But if you can maintain your focus on your desires and hold the feeling of already having them, you will navigate these challenges with grace and ease. The key is to trust the process. Trust that the universe is always working in your favor, even when things don't seem to be going your way. Trust that you are being guided and supported every step of the way. And trust that when you are aligned with your purpose, the universe will conspire to bring you everything you need to fulfill your dreams. To harness this incredible power, it is essential to understand the fundamental principles that govern the manifestation process. It is not a matter of simply wishing for something and expecting it to magically appear. It is a deliberate and intentional process that involves 3 key steps: assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, persisting in that state, and then letting go. The first step, assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, is perhaps the most crucial. This involves vividly imagining your desire as if it were already a reality. Engage all your senses. See it, hear it, feel it, smell it, taste it. The more real you can make it in your mind's eye, the more powerful the emotional response will be. The key here is to evoke the feeling that you would have if your desire were already manifested. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement, the peace, or whatever emotion is associated with your desire. This is not about pretending or faking it. It's about genuinely experiencing the emotion as if it were already happening. This may seem counterintuitive at first, especially if your current reality is far from what you desire. But remember, your feelings are the creative force that shapes your reality. By focusing on the feeling of the wish fulfilled, you are aligning your energy with your desire and attracting it into your life. The second step, persisting in that state, is about maintaining the feeling of the wish being fulfilled even when faced with challenges or setbacks. This is where many people falter. They may feel the excitement and joy initially, but as soon as they encounter obstacles, they revert to their old patterns of doubt and negativity. To truly manifest your desires, You must be willing to persist in the feeling of the wish being fulfilled, even when things don't seem to be going your way. This requires a deep trust in the process and an unwavering belief in your own worthiness. It also requires a willingness to let go of the need to control every detail and to surrender to the wisdom of the universe. The third and final step, letting go, is often the most challenging yet most liberating. After you have clearly defined your desire and immersed yourself in the feeling of having it, it is crucial to release your attachment to the outcome. This does not mean giving up on your desire or resigning yourself to failure. It simply means surrendering the need to control how and when your desire will manifest. The universe has its own timing and ways of working. By letting go, you are allowing the universe to do its thing, to orchestrate the events and circumstances that will bring your desire into reality. You are trusting that the universe knows what is best for you and will deliver your desire in the perfect way and at the perfect time. Letting go can be a difficult concept to grasp, especially if you are used to striving and trying to force things to happen. But when you truly understand the power of letting go, you will discover a new level of peace and freedom. You will no longer be attached to a specific outcome. Instead, you will be open to receiving the abundance that the universe has in store for you. Now that you have a clear understanding of the three-step formula, you may be wondering how to put it into practice in your own life. The good news is, there are many practical techniques and exercises you can use to apply these principles to your specific desires. One of the most powerful techniques is visualization. This involves creating a vivid, mental picture of your desire, as if it were already a reality. Close your eyes, relax your body, and allow your imagination to soar. See yourself experiencing your desire in all its glorious detail. Engage all your senses. See the vibrant colors, hear the joyful sounds, feel the warm acceptance of success, smell the sweet fragrance of victory, taste the delicious fruits of your labor. While you visualize, feel the emotions that you would feel if your desire were already manifested. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the excitement, the peace, or whatever emotion is associated with your desire. Allow yourself to fully immerse yourself in this experience. The more vivid and emotional your visualization, the more powerful it will be. The path to purpose is not a race, but a personal journey filled with twists, turns, and unexpected delights. It is a journey of self-discovery, of uncovering your unique gifts and passions, and of expressing them in a way that feels authentic and fulfilling. It is a journey of accepting your full potential, of living a life that is aligned with your deepest desires and highest values. The tools and techniques shared here are just the beginning. They are a roadmap, a guide to help you go through the terrain of your own mind and create a life that is rich with meaning, joy, and abundance. But ultimately, it is up to you to take the first step, to accept the power within you, and to create the life you were born to live. Remember, your purpose is not something you find, it is something you become. So, start today. Accept the power of your imagination, cultivate empowering beliefs, and take inspired action towards your dreams. The world is waiting for your unique light to shine. Your purpose is calling, and it's time to answer.